Welcome to World Classical Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 1991 Jaguar XJS 5.3 litre V12 Coupe Le Mans edition. The car is finished in signal red with ivory trim with red piping and is a limited edition of only 280 cars, all numbered, built to commemorate the winning of the 1988 and 1999 Le Mans 24-hour race by Jaguar. This car is a low mileage car, covered just 83,000 miles in 27 years. Great service history, mainly main dealer up to 77,000 miles. Last owner of 11 years. As you can see, this striking signal red paintwork sets the car off beautifully. The Mans edition had extras above the standard V12 cars. This included his 16-inch lattice wheels, which are all in lovely condition. You had a lower bib spoiler underneath there. The quad headlamps, not seen on the UK cars, and the gold Growler livery on the bonnet there. Inside the car you have extended leather and this lovely ivory with red piping. You'll notice on the headrests they are embossed Le Mans V12. Automatic transmission, obviously. Nice walnut trim. Car's got the original radio cassette there, trip computer, heated electric seats there, and if you look in the footwell, the carpets are in great condition. All of these Le Mans editions were numbered. This one is number 92 of 280 cars. Passenger seat, lovely condition. Looking in the back, more sumptuous leather. Headlining in perfect condition, not sagging or anything. And again, down to the carpets. Really nice. Door cards, left hand side, in lovely condition. Looking in the inside and the bottom of the doors. No evidence of corrosion. In the boot, spare wheel is under there. The original tool roll, carpets in nice condition, framework all good. Coming down the offside, paintwork gleams. And again, the driver's seat with a Le Mans motif on the headrest, and the centre console. Driver's seat, a little bit of wear compared to the passenger one, nothing to worry about though. Driver's footwell. In nice condition. As is the door card, again in the back. Carpets super, and the seat almost as new. You see the mileage there, 83,732. It's the car running. lovely V12 burble. bonnet. Nice condition, all the original features there. There's a treat. So if you're interested in one of these rare cars, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the Worldwide Classics website on worldwideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.